What's the meaning of compromising? Compromising. Compromising.
Compromising. Compromising. The term compromising refers to a situation in which someone is forced or convinced to abandon their principles or ideals for the sake of reaching an agreement with another party. The result of compromising can vary, but it often leads to a solution that involves some form of concession or sacrifice from both parties involved. While compromise can sometimes be necessary to resolve conflict and make progress, it can also lead to dissatisfaction and resentment if it is viewed as unfair or one-sided.